Hey there. Is your LG Flatron monitor showing colors that seem a bit off? Maybe the reds aren't quite as vibrant or the blues look too muted. If you're wondering how to fix LG Flatron monitor color settings, you've come to the right place. In this guide, I'm going to share some practical steps to help you adjust those settings and bring your screen back to life, vibrant and accurate colors. Step 1. Access the monitor menu. The first step in adjusting your LG Flatron monitor's color settings is to access the monitor's on-screen display menu. Look for the physical buttons on the monitor, usually located on the lower bezel or just beneath the screen. Tap the menu button to open the settings menu. Here, navigate to the picture or color settings option, depending on your specific monitor model. Step 2. Adjust basic color settings. Once you're in the color settings menu, you'll be able to fine-tune the basic settings. Start with the brightness and contrast settings to ensure your display is not too dark or too light. Adjust these settings to your preferences. Next, move on to the color temperature settings. Common options include cool, natural, and warm. Each setting will give your screen a different tone, so choose the one that looks most natural to your eyes. Step 3. Fine-tune RGB levels. For more precise control over your color settings, adjust the RGB levels. Within the color settings, look for options related to red, green, and blue levels. Some LG Flatron monitors might simply call this color adjust. Increasing or decreasing these levels can help you correct color imbalances if one color appears too dominant on your screen. A little adjustment goes a long way, so tweak each setting incrementally. Step 4. Use preset modes. If you're unsure about manual adjustments, LG Flatron monitors often come with preset display modes. These can usually be found with the on-screen display menu under Picture Mode or a similar option. Common presets include Cinema, Game, or Standard. Each mode is designed to optimize color settings for different types of content consumption. Try cycling through these presets to see which one meets your needs best and then customize from there if needed. Step 5. Calibrate with software tools. For the most accurate results, consider using a software calibration tool. There are free tools available, such as Windows' built-in display color calibration tool that guide you through a step-by-step process. These tools can help you fine-tune your monitor's color output beyond what is possible using just the monitor's controls. By following on-screen prompts, you can make detailed adjustments to gamma, contrast, and even color correctness. And that's how to fix LG Flatron monitor color setting. By following these steps, you can ensure your monitor displays vibrant and true-to-life colors, enhancing your viewing experience. Whether you're adjusting the settings manually or using software tools for a more precise calibration, make sure to balance the colors according to your personal preference and needs. Now, you can enjoy content with colors that truly pop. Remember, adjustments vary per monitor and individual preference, so feel free to experiment until you find what suits you best. Enjoy your revitalized display.